Hello friends, it's Daisy here, and I have an unboxing of an order from the 1407 planners. I did order their spring market kit to use in my planner for the month of April, and I also ordered one of their inserts. So I will go ahead. I did open the box and taped over the personal information there. So first thing, this little info pack they always send. So you always get one of these little Fiona paper clips. This one's black. And then they send you a couple goodies. They sent me this compass planner charm, which I love because compasses are a symbol that means a lot to me. So thank you, 1407 planners. That is awesome. I love that. And then they also sent me a little gnome die cut. So let's get those things out of the way. And then, of course, just invoice and a couple little marketing pieces there. And then this is the insert that I ordered. It is Ancestry insert. And I ordered it in the A5 size. Myself and some of my cousins have recently been doing a little ancestry research. And so I thought that'd be a good, easy way to keep the information organized. And now we'll open this bag and see what's inside. Okay, in this spring market kit you get two 3x4 journaling cards. There's one and there's number two. You get a packet of sticky notes, a planner charm, which that's a little bouquet. How cute. You get a sticker sheet. And you get a packet of die cuts, which I'll open those and have a look. So it looks like the die cuts are 2 succulents and then 2 macaroons, a little marketing bag, and a little piece of foliage. So those are awesome. And their die cuts are really nice, heavyweight. And then we'll have a look at the papers in the kit. Okay, in the kit you get, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of paper and a piece of vellum. And there's 2 pieces of 2 designs that are double-sided. So it has burlap on one side, and then on this other, this pretty, looks like a lavender maybe. There's 2 of those. And then 2 of these sort of collage type sheets, which, I mean, you could either cut those up and use them or just use them as is. And I think it is the same on both sides. Yeah, it's the same on both sides. So you get 2 of those. And then this sheet that has it's like peonies on it. And then on the back, it's just like a craft paper. There's 2 of those. And then 2 of these hydrangea sheets. And they have, I guess that's to help you cut it, the squares on the back. So there's 2 of those. And then this beautiful piece of vellum, which has some macaroons and then some little flowers. And it says, spoil yourself and every day spoil yourself. So great advice. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here in West Virginia. So enjoy the rest of your day.